What's up, guys? It's your boy back at you with another video. You get me? And for those of you unaware what this channel is, this is my journey to freedom through selling things on eBay. I'm a little bit restricted right now because my phone's on charge. You get me? So basically, that's what man's doing on this channel. You get me? And today's video, other than showing off this wicked ass Walking Dead T-shirt I got, for anyone who don't know me, I love zombies, and Walking Dead's just sick. And I'm basically watching it again right now. I watched it back in the day, but there's been bare new seasons and that since I watched it. So I was on the hunt at the car boot sale trying to find the box sets and DVD, and I got them up until season 6. So I need to scavenge a few extra seasons. But basically, I've been re-watching it. I was in the charity shop today. This was in here for £3. It's a proper AMC thing. I don't know what season it is. I think it's season 5 with this Negan or Neeson brother with a baseball bat. So yeah, I got this and I was gassed. It was £3. I got it for £2. So I was happy about that. Anyway, enough of that. Basically, today is like, I say a picking and packing video, but it's just talking about some stuff which I sold over the weekend. Today being Monday. So this is my little pile of the things that I sold from basically Friday evening over till now. I don't know why my lighting went all red then. I don't know, this camera's got like a mind of its own. But anyway, so I'll turn the camera around, we'll do that, and then I'll show you a couple of things I got from the charity shop just after work basically. So here's a quick thing, there was a couple charity shops still open, so basically that's that. And I got a couple of cool things. I literally got 2 things today. I've been on a proper budget, guys, so we'll talk about it anyway. Let me flip the camera. Alright, so I am on a leash because this charger, let me pull my phone a little bit closer. Okay, that's a little bit better. Alright, so hold on, I need to get the prices as well. So, oh, God, all the way here. I got the prices written on a receipt because I'm basically using the phone that I should be like looking at the things on. I moved my computer out of here as well. I'm rearranging things, but that's the next thing again. First thing I got anyway, guys, is this North Face like puffer coat thing. I got this for £2, and I got it a while back, probably like the start of the summer. So it's been a few months, and I sold it once. It got returned, and I don't know why it got returned because it's in pristine condition. And I sold it for £22 plus £3 shipping for the North Face. Get me. The next thing is this short sleeve polo Ralph Lauren thing. I'm not going to unravel things because it's just making more work for myself. You get me? And I sold that for £8.50 plus £3 shipping. A lot of these things are really, really cheap. Because basically I'm changing up what I buy now. I'm trying to buy a lot better stuff, which means a lot of my crap I've like significantly lowered the price of. So a lot of this stuff that you're gonna see going over the next few weeks and months is my last 300 items of my old store. So these next things I sold was these Levi's women's jeans, and I paid £3 for these. Must have got them from a boot sale. And I sold them for $23.99, which is cheap for a brand new pair of Levi's. But Levi's, they're not all that. But like, if you can get them cheap, you can sell them. The next thing is these great Adidas here. They're used, but I cleaned them up, and I got £12.99 plus £3 shipping, so that's like £16, and I paid £1 for them, so that's not bad. Better than nothing. The next thing I sold again, it says on my list. It must be this t-shirt. So the next thing I sold is this Levi's t-shirt. It's just a crappy Levi's t-shirt, you get me? I probably paid like 50p for it or something stupid, or like 3 for £1 or something. Somehow I end up gathering all this crap. A lot of it I've tried to just pull out and wear for myself because I really don't even want to sell it. But I sold that for £2 with £3 shipping. So I got like a bluey for it, so there'll be nothing left in it though, really. It's just to kind of getting things out, to be honest. I sold this Converse t-shirt, which is actually good condition, to be honest. But it's used. I didn't get a lot for it. How much should I get for it? £4.50 plus £3 shipping, so that's £5.50, £6.50, £7.50 for this t-shirt. So a little bit more for that one. So you can make money in t-shirts. It's just you'd have to sell a lot of t-shirts. You get me? Let me just look at my list, guys. I'm just looking at this, seeing where I'm at. Levi's, the Lacoste. These Lacoste trainers are cool. These cost me 11 quid. I got them in a bundle. I talked about them in one of my videos. These are like sample. Yeah, it says sample, not for sale on there, which is probably not good for man. Seeing what happens to daily refinement. Yeah, but I got them from the car boot sale. Paid 11 and I sold them for $33.99. You get me? So that's not bad with them. I'm happy about that. I got another thing on here. Some Nikes. They're downstairs being washed because basically I sold a pair of Nikes, but like I just wanted to wash them because like the sole just it looks whiter in the picture than it is on the shoes. So they're just like some cheap Nike running trainers I sold for a tenner with shipping. And I paid £1 for them. So they're just like a Nike. I don't even know what style of Nike they are. Just like your typical Nike running shoes. Anyway, I sold these. These are Nike. Like just Nike shorts. You get me? And then without tags, I think I sold them for $13.99, but I paid a £5 for them, so kind of got mugged off here. But like, that's them out of here anyway. This Timberland thing, haven't wrote down how much I sold it for, but I'll check now. Just give me a sec. I'll quickly check how much I sold that Timberland shirt for. Guys, so for this Timberland shirt, I got £9 plus £3 shipping, and I paid like 50p or something at the car boot sale for that, or 3 for £1. Basically, there's this guy I used to buy stuff off, and he used to have spare cheap clothes, but I don't see him anymore. He's disappeared into I don't know where he's gone. I swear he used to live in his van. Like, he basically used to give me like little like funny stories about like him just living in different places and that. But you could clearly see like the pillow in his van, and I'd see him at one car boot sale from the next car boot sale, and he's still in the same garms and that, looking like he's got like a charger and that in his van and that, like little mattress and that turned up on its side, and I was like, man's living in his van. Hit me. But anyway, so he disappeared. But anyway, guys, things are getting a little bit exciting now because I'm actually making some sales. I've sold some decent shit over the last few days. Basically, my goal is to just eventually be selling just the good stuff in it. So we'll get rid of all this, and then basically just roll on better sales. You know what I mean? I had a goal of like trying to stack like 10k by like the 7th of November because like I started this journey on the 7th of November or something. But I basically messed up the whole year. I just fucked it up, like most people do in it. So I'm way behind. Whether I'll get to that goal or not, I don't know. But it doesn't matter as long as I'm pushing towards that goal, because right now at this point, this is the healthiest my store's ever been. Like in terms of I know what sells. It's basically easy money at this point, and like I just need to eat, sleep, and repeat, and allow the money to like compile. That's basically my goal right now. Anyway, let's talk about what I got. Other than this fucking top, I got these cool ass Ralph Lauren. Sorry, I was fucking holding them off camera. These cool Ralph Lauren, the like white jeans with like skull and crossbones on. You get me? And like, I think they're women's. I have to check what size they are, but I think they're women's because they're like cut off, and they're just cool Ralph Lauren things. You get me? So yeah, we got them. Oh, my arm's tired from holding the thing now. But there was a £5, and this next thing I got was a £5, but I got an offer in the shop because my partner got a bunch of books. I only got 2 things today, other than this t-shirt. And the next thing I got was this Ciro Soterio watch. Let me turn the camera around and talk about this. Now, first things first, to be honest with you, I don't know if this is worth anything or even if this watch works. But I do know Ciro Soterio leather jackets do really well for me. It's basically a vintage brand. They close down in it. I did some research on them, and they do alright. But I just thought a watch might be alright. Anyway, instead of paying £10 for the 2 of these, I paid £2 for the watch. and I twisted the dial and that, and it twists, but it's got some like, it just needs a clean up in it. But the strap itself is in really good condition. So I was like, I might take it to the watch guy, get him to put a battery in it, because they usually do that shit for free around here anyway. Just take it to the market and it'll be like, yeah. So I might do that today. Go and pick my son up from school in a minute, and then just see if it works. If it works, then nice, and I'll bid it off. Try and make my money back on that. You get me? But other than that, I got them two things today, guys. I've got to list these. Got to list these like Adidas golf trainer things. So basically, yeah, my room at the minute is looking nice and tidy. Let me turn the camera on. Everything's looking nice and tidy at the minute. I cleared the fucking rats out of here. You get me? I've put them up in my bedroom. So like, the place is looking better. But I might be moving out of here soon because I've got two kids and they're both cramped in a small room, and I've got like all this space. So I might be boxing everything up and moving it and moving them into here, having their little room as my office, and then storing this kind of just around, maybe up in the loft, because we got like a bit of a loft space. I mean, it's only all trainers and that, so I was thinking probably get most of these trainers. Well, these racks could definitely go upstairs. This rail doesn't really need to be here. I could take the rail down, put all that in boxes. All this stuff could be compiled into boxes. And then I just kind of, from now on, only sell stuff I can fit up there until we get a unit. And you don't have to, when I say a unit, I don't mean a big ass warehouse thing, just a small little office thing, innit? And we'll put everything there because I want to do this shit proper, you know. I ain't messing around. So, stack all this money, get a little unit thing, put an Xbox in there and that. You know what I mean? That'll be my second home. And hopefully sell one of these white trainers because these are sick. Like, I wish I had some stuff. Guys, freaking my phone battery went low and then it stopped recording because the charger come out a bit. But anyway, I just took that time to quickly wrap all these parcels up, and we're going to pay for the labels now. But basically, yeah, what I was saying is these are cool. I want to sell them. I wish they was my size. Turn the camera on real quick. Yeah, so my actual goal with this is to get like a unit, make some real money. Basically, we want to live in a caravan or on a caravan site, and or just fucking homeless. we don't want to live, well, we don't want to live here anyway. We basically want to move, like we've been thinking about a caravan or a caravan site in all seriousness. You get me? Get like a little unit, earn some good money, keep a full-time job for basically as long as is necessary. And then other than all that, basically free ourselves. But it's going to take determination and hard work. So these parcels are going to go out now. So I'm basically going to wrap this video up. So I hope you guys have kind of saw like kind of what sells for me. And kind of like what not to buy with those cheap t-shirts and that. But the good stuff that's been selling, like those Lacoste trainers. I've sold some decent stuff over these last few videos, so if you guys have tuned in. My last few videos have been super late, but before this video today, being Monday, I'm going to cram all them videos in now. Like, I'm going to upload them all. Like, basically, I don't know. I might just like, this video will probably be a couple days late because I need time to upload them. I don't want to put them all on the same day, but I'll kind of like put them all in a few days, like all every day after each other, and then I'll drop this video. So this video will probably drop like Wednesday, and hopefully I'll be all up to date, and then we can just roll from there. At the end of this month, I'll basically do a review using this whiteboard I've got, which is all up to date with how many sales and listings, as of today. Both my accounts included, I've listed 50 items up until today, and I've sold 52. My goal is 120 listings and to sell 60. So I'm nearly at the 60, but let's not think about like slowing down because I'm nearly at the 60 sales. My listings need to pick up. I want to outdo that goal basically. So I don't want to leave any room for error. So basically, at the end of the month, I'll do like a review. We'll talk about how much I earn, and we'll talk about how much is actually left, how much I actually have in my bank account as a result of that. Yeah, man, we'll basically be doing that until I hit my fucking 10k goal. At least as soon as I get like 10,000 in my bank, we'll say how long did this take me to do, and then fucking off to the races, mate. I can't keep sharing bank account after that, like how much have I made after that, because people might be looking to rob, man. I might be looking to rob myself. But other than that, guys, I appreciate y'all. You get me? I'll see y'all in the next one. This room's looking pretty cool in the background now, you know. So it's nice. It's nice. We built this. Me and my girlfriend built this from an empty bedroom. You get me? So one of them things. Respect to myself. I appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel. I want to get to 200 subscribers. So keep subscribing, like the video, all them thing there. I'll see you on the next one. Get me? And we out. Guys, I'll just quickly add this because I've got a shoot. But I sold this on my hard goods account for $27.99. It's basically like an amp, and I got it for like £3 with this like other thing, like this little thing where you plug your guitar into and can change things on it. I sold that for like 70 quid. Sold this for like $27.99. This is going out today as well. Forgot about this. So I've just paid for all the labels over there, and now I've got to shoot though. I'll have to do it when I get back because I've got to get my son from school, and then I'll finish up these last couple when I get back. Alright, see you in a bit.